how pineapples are processed in the factory. In this episode, let's take a look at how the factory processes pineapples. Before entering the workshop, we go through the familiar 3 steps of cleaning: hand washing, disinfection, and air shower. First, workers place the freshly harvested pineapples into a disinfection pool to eliminate any hitchhiking bugs or eggs. Once disinfected, the pineapples are sent to the blower, where strong air blows away the moisture clinging to the fruit. Workers then place each pineapple onto a cutting machine. In a flash, the skin is quickly peeled off. It's clear that this machine's precision and skill are outstanding. At this point, the knife only needs 0.1 seconds to strip the pineapple's core and skin completely. Next, the peeled pineapples are placed on a fruit knife to trim off the rough edges. These parts, having been rubbed by the conveyor belt for a long time, have already lost their freshness. Then, the pineapples are showered in a saltwater solution. The salt water dissolves the organic acids in the pineapple, while also neutralizing enzyme elements, making the pineapple less sour and astringent. Afterward, workers place the pineapple chunks onto a fruit cutter, where they are divided into thick, small pieces. At this point, the fresh pineapples are processed. Next, the cut pineapples are sent to a packaging machine, where they are vacuum sealed and packed, ready to be shipped to stores.